Hey guys, Lowe here, welcoming you to Makeup 101 for Beginners. If you're new to the world of makeup artistry or simply looking to sharpen your skills, you've definitely landed in the perfect spot. I'm here to guide you through the latest and greatest trends sweeping the makeup industry. Stick around until the end, because I've got a big surprise and some extraordinary tips that you'll definitely want to use. In collaboration with a talented marketing team and leveraging cutting-edge AI technology, we've curated some of the most innovative techniques and products currently making waves in the beauty sector. Today, we'll go over essential makeup basics that are universally applicable. Plus, I'll share targeted advice for both men and women, aiming to amplify their natural beauty. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Here's a concise makeup tip for essential makeup products and techniques. 1. Hydration is key. Start with a clean and hydrated face for the best makeup application. Use Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream after cleansing to moisturize and smooth your skin. It's ideal for all skin types and sets a perfect base. 2. Prime your canvas. A good primer like Smashbox Photo. Finish. Primer can make your makeup last longer and smooth out pores and fine lines. Apply a small amount evenly across your face before applying makeup. 3. Go easy with application. If you're new to makeup, start with less and build as needed. L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable. Makeup is great for beginners, offering buildable coverage. Apply it with a sponge or brush, starting lightly. 4. Master the art of blending. Avoid harsh lines by mastering blending. Use the Sigma Beauty F80 flat kabuki brush for foundation and explore the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette for eyeshadows that blend effortlessly. Take time to blend the edges for a seamless finish. 5. Set and forget. Keep your makeup in place all day with Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches from your face and mist 2 to 4 times in an X and T pattern to prevent makeup from melting or settling. By integrating these products and techniques into your routine, you'll enhance both the application and longevity of your makeup, ensuring a flawless look that lasts. Now guys, this is specifically for you, so you really want to pay attention to this. Here are 3 focus tips just for you who want to enhance your features, complete with recommended products, usage tips, and purchasing advice. 1. Tinted moisturizer. For an even skin tone without the weight of foundation, try a tinted moisturizer like NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. It provides light coverage and hydration, perfect for a natural look. Apply a small amount evenly across the face using your fingers or a brush. You can buy it at Sephora or major department stores. 2. Brow care. To keep brows neat and polished, use Tom Ford Brow Gelcom. This clear gel sets your brows in place without adding color, maintaining a clean and natural appearance. Simply brush the gel upward and outward through your brows. Find it online at Tom Ford's official website or high-end beauty stores. 3. Spot concealing. For discreet coverage of blemishes or under eye circles, opt for Clinique for Men Concealer. This concealer is specifically formulated for men's skin and blends seamlessly. Use a small brush or your fingertip to apply the concealer directly onto any spots or dark areas and blend it into the surrounding skin. This product is available at Clinique counters and their online store. These products and tips are tailored for men seeking to enhance their appearance subtly and naturally, with a focus on easy application and maintenance. For all my lady makeup artists looking to boost their natural beauty with makeup, here are 5 detailed strategies, complete with product suggestions, application techniques, and makeup tutorials. 1. Highlight naturally. Enhance your radiance by applying a highlighter like Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector to the high points of your face, such as cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of your nose. Use a fan brush for a subtle application, sweeping lightly over these areas. You can find this product at beauty stores like Ulta or online at Sephora. 2. Enhance your eyes. To make your eyes stand out, start by using an eyelash curler to lift your lashes. Follow up with a coat of L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Mascara for added volume and definition. Curl your lashes carefully from the base to the tip, holding for a few seconds at each part. Then apply mascara from the base to the tip in a zigzag motion. These tools are available in most drugstores and online retailers. 3. Soft eyeshadows. For a soft, everyday look, choose neutral eyeshadow shades. Urban Decay, Naked 2 Basics. Palette offers a range of versatile, matte neutrals that are perfect for creating a subtle eye makeup look. Apply the lighter shades on the lid and blend darker shades into the crease and along the lash line for depth. This palette can be purchased at stores like Sephora or directly from Urban Decay's website. 4. Cream over powder. Opt for cream blushes and eyeshadows for a dewier, more youthful appearance. Glossier Cloud Paint is a user-friendly cream blush that blends effortlessly for a natural flush of color. Apply a small amount to the apples of your cheeks and blend outward with your fingertips. For eyeshadows, try Charlotte Tilbury. Eyes to Mesmerize for a creamy, shimmering effect. These can be found online at Glossier and Charlotte Tilbury's websites or in select beauty shops. 5. Define your brows. Fuller, more defined eyebrows can frame your face beautifully. Use a product like Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to fill in sparse areas with short, hair-like strokes. Choose a shade that matches your natural brow color for the best results. Finish by brushing through with a spoolie to blend the color and shape the brows. Anastasia Beverly Hills products are widely available at beauty retailers like Sephora and Ulta. With these products and techniques, you can enhance your natural beauty effectively, each offering a step toward a refined and polished look. Now, I know I said I have special tips, but before I go into that, for any of my ladies looking for bridal makeup artists, those in Sydney, or anyone who appreciates expert makeup artistry, I would highly recommend checking out Jo Inara. Her work is truly inspiring, and she offers airbrush makeup and personalized advice that can transform your makeup game. Just visit her website at www.joinara.com for more details. Now, here are Rob Lowe's top 5 makeup tips and products that will leave you priceless, and I know can make a significant difference in your makeup routine. 1. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Perfect for achieving a natural, flawless look. 2. Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. Excellent for those seeking light coverage and added skin hydration. 3. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Ideal for precise brow shaping and filling. 4. Benefit. They're real. Mascara. Known for its lengthening and volumizing effects. 5. Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush. Offers great pigmentation and longevity. Are you ready? Brace yourselves for the big reveal I've been itching to share. Just between us, I'm no makeup guru, but with a little help from my pal AI and the HeyGen system, I managed to whip up this video. Honestly, I'm not even the one talking right now. It's all AI wizardry. So, if you're digging this high-tech ventriloquism, don't forget to smash that follow button for more free gems like this. Let's dive into the AI magic together and figure out how you too can create cool content and maybe even make a buck or two on YouTube. Now I leave you with this. Kono video ha do deshita ka? Ryokata desu ka? That's Japanese, or how about why en español. No olviden suscribirse al canal para más consejos. Hasta luego. And just so you know, I don't speak Japanese or Spanish. Thanks for joining me, and keep shining, everyone. Sayonara, mata tsihoi oai shimashou. Sayonara, matane. That means goodbye, see you next time in Japanese.